Online learning students. It's Mr. Clark back here for another week of virtual learning. So we've got 3 assignments as usual this week. We have an assignment called Cultural Conflicts Research, an assignment called Gender Issues, and then we've got a quiz. So let's take a look. We'll look at the home page here. And on the home page, we've got this slides presentation right here. It'll obviously look a little different for you guys, but we're going to start in the modules, and we've got these 3 assignments: cultural conflicts research, gender issues, and then we've got a quiz. So let's take a look first at the cultural conflicts. So because we're looking at world geography, it's really important to kind of take a look at some of the conflicts that we've had that are like pretty much just tied to culture. So you click on the assignment, it comes like this. And I want you guys to research 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one of them. You don't have to do all 6. So you are going to take a look at these cultural conflicts. One in Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Ireland, Balkans, Sudan, or Rwanda. I have done the Googling for you already. These are some of the better sites you can find. And then I need you to answer these questions in like complete sentences. What's the name of the cultural clash? Where did it take place? When did it take place? What ethnic cultural groups did it involve? What was the main cause of the conflict between the cultures? What were some of the main events that took place? Don't just name the events, explain them as well. How did the conflicts end, if they ended? What do you think could have been done to prevent this? Maybe. What do you think we can do as everyday people to help prevent future conflicts from taking place? So we're going to look into those cultural conflicts. The next assignment is gender issues. And so there's 2 parts to this. You fill out this assignment, but the information is going to come from this Google Slides. So you open it up, and it's got some information. It's got some charts and some infographic maps. So take a look here at school enrollment. If you look at higher female percent, this is 5% and above, but if you look at higher male percent, it's almost 1 to 9% for the blue. So if there's more women than men going to school, it's going to be red to pink. And if there's more men going to school, it's going to be light blue to dark blue. Now, this isn't like really an equal thing here. You have to really kind of look at and recognize there is, if it's 5% and above, it's women, right? But if you look at those countries, you may see that there are just more women than men, right? In the places that it's well over 10% men, there isn't that big of a disparity between genders. So kind of take a look at both of those and see what you see. This is going to talk about literacy rate of males versus females. This is going to take a look at life expectancy, women administrators, women. And so we're really just looking at some gender issues. You will also have to answer these questions from this. Where in the world is better with school enrollment? Where is it worse? Literacy rates, life expectancy, administrators, yada, yada, yada. So that is what you will do for that. And finally, you then have a quiz. I'm not going to show the quiz on the video, but if you click on that, it'll take you right to the quiz. Before you take the quiz, I highly, highly recommend taking a look at the I can statements. All of the stuff that's on the I can statements is in the quiz, particularly the vocabulary that's at the very top of this: culture, cultural hearth, ethnic group, race. All this stuff is in the test, so you definitely need to know it. That's it, guys. We'll have 2 more weeks of work. I am going to assign you some stuff about world religions next week, and that's probably going to be our final unit for the year. So that's going to be it. I hope you're all doing great and staying safe out there. You got this. There's really only 2 weeks after this week. Hope you're all doing well out there. And as we always sign off here at Fort Harriman, we love you, we care about you, and make it a great day.